Hey everybody, happy Thursday. I'm going to show you this home in a quick little 2-minute, 3-minute segment, 5424. It's in Delphi Hills. This is one of 3 homes that's going to be held open this Saturday and Sunday from 11 to 5. And so we're going to have people here to help you out, give you all the information. And this one's right on the corner. We're going to have also the Arabella held open and the Ridgewood. Okay, this is called the Innovator. And I'm just going to give you a sneak preview. And then I want you to come see us and our team this weekend to get more information. But check this out. Just love this kitchen. Check out just the color combination here is gorgeous. And then who doesn't want like a bougie fireplace that just kind of lights up different? Changes colors as we speak. So if you come back here, there is a really nice pantry. You can see plenty of shelving. So gas, full bathroom, full bedroom downstairs. The rest of the home is upstairs. Beautiful flooring, French doors going out to the back. And then check out the beautiful screened pool area. This is on a corner lot, so you're really getting a lot of yard space on this one. And there's an extended patio with the traditional wood ceilings, the Hulbert staple, one of the many staples. And this pool area is just, again, really, really nice. So just to kind of give you an idea. So this is going to be one of 3 homes open this weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Come see myself and the team, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. We'll have literature. We'll have a lot of information for you. We have plenty of lots to build on and much more information. So hope you have a great day. Okay, super excited to show you the Arabella, an amazing 4-bedroom, 3-bath, plus an office. This home has everything. Check out the openness of this design. This has got a huge, massive bar area, countertop, island, quartz countertops,